Rwanda and Mozambique have a similar liberation trajectory, as well as a common vision for African integration. Our countries have earned the freedom to chart our own course. It came at a heavy price, as we know as well. Our responsibility has been to continue the struggle for the prosperity, security, and dignity of our citizens. We are counting on the next generation to sustain these gains and expand upon them.